Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful rainbow colored garland, also known as a flag banner. This is a rainbow themed decoration which you can use for a birthday party, unicorn themed party, any kids party as a room decoration, or for any other event. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, room decorations, holiday decorations, and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my future uploads. For this decoration I have 7 different colors of papers. They are all A4 size papers. I have pink, purple, green, red, blue, yellow and orange. And from these papers I'll be needing first of all a square of 15 by 15 centimeters. And along with this, I'll be needing a piece of 10 by 15 centimeters. We are going to cut this out. I have here 7 pieces of all the colors that I took in the starting. I have 7 pieces of 15 centimeters by 15 centimeter and 7 pieces of papers like this, 10 centimeter by 15 centimeters. We will take the one of 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters. And with our scissors, we are going to make cuts at about every half centimeter. We are not going to cut till the end. We are going to cut till here. We'll leave about 2 centimeters distance, which we won't cut. Like this, we are going to make our cuts after each half centimeter. Like this, we are going to make cuts in all the pieces of 10 by 15 centimeters. After we have created these, we will take our small squares of 15 by 15 centimeters. Next, we'll take our paper of 15 by 15 centimeters and we will fold it in half. After having folded this in half, we'll take one side and we will fold it for inside. Like this till the fold line. That's the same that we're going to do on this side. We'll fold it for inside till the fold line. We'll take this side and we will fold it till the outer fold line. And the same way, this side we'll fold it till the outer fold line as well. Next you have these 2 pieces. You'll see one fold line here on this large piece still here. We'll bring these 2 fold lines together. We are going to join the fold lines like this. And by doing so, by pressing the paper here, we are creating a fold line on the bottom side. Like this. And that's the same that we'll be doing with this large piece. We'll bring the outer 2 corners close to each other. And by doing so, we'll be pressing the other side and making another fold line. After having done so, between 2 folds, each of these folds, we'll make one more fold. Like this. After having done so, we will take any object and we will just go over like this so that the fold lines become crisp and beautiful. This is what we'll be doing with all the other colors as well. After we have folded all the papers, we'll take one of them, go over the edges one more time so that we make sure that all the fold lines are crisp and good. Then in the middle, we'll hold it in the middle. We'll stretch the corners like this. Here in the middle section, we'll take a small piece of tape and we'll put it here. Now again, we are going to go to the corners, we are going to stretch it up and open it up like this. That's the same that we'll be doing on this side. That's the same what we'll be doing with all the other colors as well. After having made all our ribbons, all our bows, we'll take ribbon. I have 1 meter ribbon in cream color. We'll leave a space open of about 10 centimeters. We won't be pasting anything there. We will start with the color pink. On the front side like this, we are going to put tape. Next, we'll take a small piece of double-sided tape of 2 centimeters. We'll place that in the middle. We will remove the plastic cover of the double-sided tape. And after having done so, we will paste our bow on it. Like this. Same way, we'll take the purple color. The same way, we are going to attach all the other colors. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section below when it's your birthday. Please don't leave this channel without subscribing and do check all my other videos. I'm sure you'll find amazing party ideas to make your occasion special.